Hey there! Good news! Now you can break those lengthy on-demand video sessions into chapters and be able to add context to each portion of the video. This applies equally to short videos. To break your on-demand videos into chapters, follow these steps. Once you activate your virtual room, choose Pre-recorded as your room video mode. Click on Upload Video and upload the video where you want to add the chapters. Please note that chapters will not be available if you select Use a link or Upload file as the option. Once you have uploaded your video, click on Edit, then click on the blue button Create Chapter. You will see a pop-up with a preview of the video. Play the video, and the timestamp below will automatically update along with the video. Stop the video the moment you want to add a chapter. The timestamp will also stop. Write the chapter's name, then click on the plus sign to the left. The chapter will be added at the time marked by the timestamp. It will show up on the progress bar and also on a button on the video player. Play the video again and repeat the process to add more chapters. Once you finish adding all your chapters, click on Create, then End. You can add as many chapters as you like. You can also edit the chapters. To do this, click on the blue Edit button under the Chapters section, and the Chapters pop-up will open. You will be able to add more chapters or delete one in particular by clicking on the trash icon to the left of the chapter. Then, click on Save. Inside the activity, attendees will see yellow dividers with the chapters' names, each with an individual preview. They will also see a list of all the chapters that have been created. Attendees can click on a divider or on a chapter's name on the list to move forward or backward in the video and watch that specific part. And that's it! This is the way to break on-demand videos into sessions and chapters. Stay with InEvent for your events, streaming solutions, and broadcasts. Go beyond with InEvent.